Ganda. Na talaga namang super ganda, super diyosa.
Thank you po. I wouldn't say there's really a secret to it. Siguro po kasi we have a really good team that help. Yung bumubuo po talaga ng show, from the directors, the creatives, yung mga production staff namin, the crew, the other actors, lahat sila part po ng kung bakit nagiging mataas ang ratings ng bawat show. And also, aside from that, we really love what we do. We love each other.
Sa'yo na nang galing, Liza.
We love each other.
Si Ken lang sabi mo kanina.
Damay din sila.
Si Enrique lang yung sinasabihan mo.
We love each other. And
The most. Sino pinaka-love? The most.
love ko kayong lahat. Pero syempre,
Yung katabi, Char.
and I guess the happiness that we have on the set and the passion that we all have for our jobs really conveys when we lang po yung nakunan po sa akin. And right now, they're giving way to Bugani kasi matatapos na po. So, hindi po muna kami nag-shoot. But I think as soon as Bugani is finished, mag-grind na po ulit kami. And for the project with Ken, meron pong sinabi po sa amin na parang may movie po kaming gagawin. But I'm not sure as to when this is going to be showing or when we're going to start shooting, as a matter of fact.
So, hindi talaga si Ken ang leading man mo sa Darna, no?
Ang alam ko po si Darna, wala po siyang leading man.
Meron. Yung dati na
Love interest po, pero walang leading man.
Oh, pero kung gusto mo, si Ken.
Oo naman po.
O gusto rin ni Ken sana mapasama, no? Sa Darna.
Gusto mo ba?
O gusto
Well,
rin siya.
dapat kasama talaga ako doon sa Darna. Nag-meeting na kami, nag-storycon. Pero, dapat kasama talaga ako. So, maganda yung character. Lahat, actually, lahat. Tama naman po. Yeah, I think we also push ourselves even more, me and Hopi. Parang we complement each other. Sa mga eksena, pag alam namin kailangan mabigat yung eksena, we know how to, to help each other, motivate each other para mailabas namin yung mga emosyon na yun. And I think it comes from us knowing each other really well. And feeling ko, whenever we do shows, super open namin sa lahat ng co-actors namin, sa buong cast, sa lahat. So feeling ko, we just jive and walang inhibitions, walang nothing. It's just us and them, and that's all we need, I think, to have a good show and a good family.
Di ba, direct? As in, oh my God, ang ganda niya. Parang ayoko siyang tabihan kasi akala ko dati maputi ako, pero pagkatabi ko siya, as in, hindi, grabe yung kutis niya, ang ganda, ang kinis, ang ganda-ganda niya, makinis. As in, ang ganda niya, tapos magaling pa siya umarte, and she's very professional. Yes, tulad ng sinabi ni Kuya Justin, kasi iisipin mo, syempre, she hasn't been accepting yung mga projects na binibigay sa kanya for how many years now. Kaya nagulat kaming lahat when she accepted the offer.
Right.
And of course, iniisip ko, ay, baka nakakatakot siyang ka-eksena, baka nang lalamon. But no, she knows how to give way to her co-actors as well. And syempre meron po akong mga mabibigat na scenes din with her. She was really allowing me to take my time to really feel the emotions that I was supposed to feel for the scenes.
Sir.
Thank you very much for coming tonight. Maraming salamat, press friends. At after 1 year, Bugani is ending na. So maraming salamat from the support. Thank you po. God bless you.
Ayan.